Ready to add some pizzazz to your pictures? Say goodbye to the days of boring static images and embrace the magic of animation. With just a click of your mouse, you can make your pictures wiggle, fade in, slash, or bounce, giving them a whole new level of awesomeness. Not only can you animate pictures, but you can also bring text, graphics, and stickers to life effortlessly. So trust me when I say adding animation has never been this fun or this easy. In the vast realm of image animation apps, you'll find several options to bring your designs to life. From the renowned Adobe Photoshop to the innovative Runway and many others in between, the choices are endless. However, today we're taking a special journey with PicMonkey. Alrighty, let's kick things off with some design wizardry in PicMonkey. We're about to unlock a whole new level of creative control. So here's the deal. Start by diving into a template that catches your eye, or unload your own photo and sprinkle some text or graphics on it. No, and don't forget, you can also simply type out some snazzy text onto your canvas or toss in a couple of captivating graphics. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you've got your design elements in place, it's time to animate it. But how do I do that, you ask? All you need to do is select the layer that you want to work with, and voila! The Animate option will gracefully appear on the left tools menu, ready to take your design to the next level. So just take a second and imagine the possibilities. You'll have the power to breathe life into your layers, making them dance, twirl, or even burst into existence. It's like giving your design a personality of its own, captivating your audience and keeping them hooked. Well, with a whopping 11 animation options in PicMonkey, it's like having a whole playground of moves at your fingertips, just waiting for you to explore. All the animation movements are available to apply to your designs. Note that the green stars are looping motion animations, while the orange are entrance motion animations. Now, here's where the fun truly begins. Take your graphic, text, or image and let the animation adventure commence. Test out each animation option and see which one fits like a glove with your overall design. Picture this. Some animations burst onto the screen, starting your graphic off screen and then gracefully sliding it into view like the fancy slide in. Meanwhile, others just can't sit still, embracing perpetual motion that adds a touch of whimsy to your design. Hello, delightful little jiggle. But wait, there's more. Each animation comes with its own variations, giving you even greater control over the movement in your design. It's like having a choreographer's dream toolkit, allowing you to fine-tune every single step, twist, or turn. Getting back to the motion of the stars from before, first up we have looping motion, the green stars, an animation that keeps on going like an eternal dance party. When you download your design as an MP4, this animation type will persist throughout the entire length of your video, ensuring non-stop movement. And guess what? If you choose to download it as a GIF, the animation will continue to groove during the entirety of the GIF loop. Talk about keeping things lively. Next, we have entrance motion, or the orange stars, where the animation bursts onto the scene at the start of your GIF or MP4, only to gracefully pause after 1.5 seconds. If you opt for the GIF format, this animation will repeat every 6 seconds within your loop. However, if you go for the MP4 format, the animation will play for a tantalizing 1.5 seconds and then remain stationary for the rest of the clip. Now, what if you want to remove animation from a layer? Don't worry, we've got you covered. When you click on Animate, you'll notice the None button above your effect choices. This indicates that your selected layer doesn't have an effect applied yet. However, once you've animated a design layer, this button will transform into Remove Animation. So if you decide to bid farewell to the animation later on, adios, simply select your element, click Animate, and choose Remove Animation from the Animate menu. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And here's a pro tip. Don't limit yourself to just one animation in your design. Let your creativity soar. Mix and match animation effects on image, graphic, and text layers. Imagine the possibilities. Swinging text, a throbbing heart graphic, Your next Valentine's card will be truly unforgettable. Once you've applied an animation to an element and moved on to other parts of your masterpiece, that animated object may appear still and unmoving on the canvas. But fear not, for there's a simple solution to unveiling its lively spirit: the play button, located on the bottom toolbar. Give that bad boy a hearty click and watch the magic unfold before your eyes. Your design will come alive as all the animated elements start grooving, twirling, bobbing, weaving, and enchanting the screen. This feature is particularly handy when you have animated multiple layers, as it allows you to preview how all the elements seamlessly blend in a mesmerizing dance of creativity. You'll be able to see the harmonious choreography of your design unfold, ensuring that every element shines in perfect harmony. Hey, congratulations on completing your stunning design. Now it's time to bring it to life outside of PicMonkey. When you're ready to share your animated masterpiece with the world, you have two fantastic options: downloading it as a GIF or an MP4. If you choose to download your design as a GIF, it will export as a captivating loop, ensuring that the animation plays on a continuous cycle. Now, on the other hand, if you opt for the MP4 format, your design will be saved as a high-quality video file. This allows you to preserve every detail and fluid motion of your animated creation. Now, when you initiate the download process, it is essential to keep in mind that the time it takes may vary. It depends on factors like the file size of your design and the speed of your internet connection. So don't fret if it takes a few minutes to complete the download. Patience is the key to unlocking your animated masterpiece. But here's the best part. While you're waiting, we've got your back. An email with the link to download your video file will be sent to you as soon as it's ready. That way, you can continue with your creative endeavors without worrying about the download progress. It's like a virtual assistant, ensuring you have a smooth experience from start to finish. You've just witnessed the magic of image animation, but the excitement doesn't end there. If you want to keep the inspiration flowing and stay up to date with the latest design wizardry, there's one thing you've got to do. Hit that subscribe button and you'll gain exclusive access to a world of creative tips, tricks, and tutorials. Unleash your inner artist, master the art of animation, and create designs that will leave your audience in awe. And remember, the power of animation awaits you, so don't miss a single moment. And, as always, thank you very much for choosing to spend your time with us. We'll see you in the next video.